India alliance is a mechanism which sometimes is on and sometimes it is off. So we don't know how many they are now. There is an on. We don't know how many days they will be on. So I don't see much importance to that because they have failed miserably in all the states except Kerala. Instead of accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for their failures, they should introspect and find mechanisms where they can gain the confidence of the people. They fight each other, then come together and say that we are an alliance. Nobody will believe them. Either if they are one alliance, they should also fight together. So in Kerala, they fight each other, then go to Delhi and say that we are one alliance. So this is the problem. That is why nobody believes these alliances. So let them first gain the trust of the people, the confidence of the people, and then they fight Narendra Modi.